Hello, welcome back to another 119 Customs video. The video is going to start off by showing a few short clips that we captured a few weeks ago at the 2024 Chevy/Corvette show at the LeConte Center in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. To start off the work, we decided to go ahead and cut out the brace and just go ahead and replace it. The old one was pitted and it really just needed to be taken care of. So we didn't film it. We just took some 18 gauge metal, cut a strip out, and bent it at a 90-degree angle the best we could with our little homemade bender. For the majority of this video, you'll see us struggling to get this aftermarket panel to fit correctly. We had the same problem on the driver's side. We noticed that the bead rolls weren't lining up correctly. So what we decided to start off trying to fix this problem, we took the inside lip and we bent it up, trying to see if we could get it to push on over if we bent that up. And yes, it kind of sort of put a band-aid on it, I guess you could say, but it wasn't the problem. The problem was that the cab mount was where all that weight sitting down on it. It was pushing down on one side and the other side was pulling up, which was keeping the floor pan from sitting flat. On one side it was keeping it higher, and you could see it in the video, but we couldn't see it somehow. But we eventually found out what the issue was. We corrected it. I initially tried to stand on it to see if I could move it. I didn't have enough butt. So I went ahead and got Dad to stand on it, and while he was standing on it, we noticed it was going down there where it needed to be, and that's when I started tacking it in place and in all the right places, trying to get it to stay. And I think we got it where we needed it to be. We finally got the bead rolls to be where they're supposed to be. They seem to be lining up pretty well. So we went ahead and just got everything tack welded, looked over everything, just made sure everything looked all right. Then that's when we went and decided just to go ahead and just send it. I think Dad said, who cares, you're not going to see it anyways. It's going to be covered with sound deadening and carpet, so I guess I'm just gonna go with what he says and just say F it. It's as good as it's gonna get. So we just went ahead and welded it, and he's probably right. No one will ever see it unless they see this video. So y'all know it ain't perfect, but most of the time things aren't perfect anyways. So, but I'm just gonna call it there. I really appreciate y'all watching. If y'all could just leave us a comment and tell us we messed up or tell us we did something good, we surely appreciate it. And we will catch y'all next time. Thank you very much. it.